Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to build out your custom sections in your digital planner. So if you open up the planner, you can see all the tabs, and we're going to go into the custom sections. So I've already built the health and fitness section here with meal planners, shopping lists, and workouts and all that. So now let's fill out our finance section. So I just wrote in finance, and I'm going to write it right here as well. But I think I'm just going to copy and paste that. So copy and paste. So now we have our finance section. So if you don't like your handwriting, you can also just type it in. I like to convert it to text and then just copy it and then put it in a text box. So let me adjust the size. There. So you can type it or write it in. All right, so section 2 is going to be our finance section. So to get to your finance inserts, you can just go to the star tab and then click on this file icon. And then you'll see all the financial inserts in this section right here. So I definitely want an annual bill tracker. I'm just going to look over what's in there in that section and what I want and need. And I'm just going to go to that page. And then I'm going to open up the thumbnail view, which is these 4 squares in the left-hand corner. And then I'm just going to select all the pages that I want to be in my custom section. So I definitely want that bill tracker. So I'm just going to select. So the bill tracker, the annual income tracker, the monthly income tracker. We have a budget, bills. Bills definitely. Well, actually, I don't really need a bill since I have the annual bills. We have savings, debt, expenses. Those are annual expenses. I'm going to do the monthly expenses. We have online orders. And then that's it for the finance section. So I'm just going to copy all those pages. Okay, now that it's copied, I'm just going to hit done and close that out. Now I'm going to go to section 2 where I want to paste those pages. So you can do this 2 ways. You can either come to the section and then click on this add a page icon right here, and then you can paste pages there and it'll paste all the ones you just copied, or you can do it in the thumbnail view. So you open the thumbnail view and then go to the page that you want to copy those pages to, and then just click on the down arrow and then put add page after and then paste pages. So those are 2 ways that you can build out your custom sections. Okay, so let's say I wanted to add custom section or custom inserts. Let's say I wanted the brain dumping task ideas and a brain dump list to be in my list section. So what I'm going to do is just hit these 3 dots and hit copy page. Now I'm going to go to my lists, and I'm just going to go to the thumbnail view and add page after and copy, or do it the other way, which is a bit easier, which is just to come to the page that you want to add the page after and click on add page, and then just hit paste page and it'll paste it right after. So now in the list section, we have our brain dumping task ideas and a brain dump. So you can add these pages anywhere you want. So let me show you guys one more time. Let's say I want to add the household inserts, so all of the household inserts. So let's just go to the household inserts, cleaning routines, and let's go to the thumbnail view. And now we're going to select all of the household inserts. Okay, so it's just those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. We're going to copy we're gonna go to this page that we want to copy those sections in. So I want to go to section 3. That'll be my household section, and I'm just going to add that page and paste pages. Super easy. Now we have our third section, which was household. So I'm just going to write that in really fast in section 3. Again, if you don't like your handwriting, you could just lasso it, convert it to text, copy, and then put in your own text and paste. So there we go. And I'm just going to copy this and put it into my section 3, or household. Now we have our cleaning checklist, KonMari checklist, passwords, and contacts. All right, so that's how you add custom sections in my Blush Dated Digital Planner. This also works in the undated version as well. So yeah, thanks so much for watching.